Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. Welcome back to our session, and today's session let us discuss about chapter number 1, real numbers, the most important 8-mark questions from the topic Euclid's division lemma. As this topic consists of two types of methods of problems. One is use EDL to show that square of any positive integer in the form of 5m or 5m plus 1, and the second topic is use EDL to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m 9m plus 1 or 8m 8m plus 1, etc. That type of method of problems are asking in the public examination. Either irrational number concept or else EDL concept. This is choice. They may ask irrational number concept or else this concept. Children, listen carefully. Don't think it is a toughest topic, which is easiest topic. So don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends, children, so that I can make many more videos. Right? Coming to question number 1, use Euclid's division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is of the form 5n or 5n plus 1. 5n or 5n plus 1 or 5n plus 4, where n is a whole number. Where n is a whole numbers. Okay, children? So we know that what is Euclid division lemma? Euclid division lemma, that is a equal to bq plus r, where r must be lies between 0 and b, and the condition is 0 less than r less than b. Right? So here let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. Here what is the value of b? If you observe the question properly, square of any positive integer should be in the form of 5n or 5n plus 1 or 5n plus 4. 5n plus 4. See, which is in the form of bq plus r. A equal to, which is in the form of a equal to bq plus r. What is the value of b if you compare with the EDL, standard form of the EDL? Here the value of b is what? Here the value of b is 5. Okay? Here b equal to 5. Okay? Now, by using EDL, what is EDL, children? A equal to bq plus r, where r must be lies between 0 and b. 0 less than r equal to r less than b. Children, once again I am explaining. Here Euclid division lemma is nothing but a equal to bq plus r. What is a here? Let a be any positive integer. How can we define b? B, it depends upon the given question. Okay, here it should be in the form of 5n plus 1 or 5n plus 4. I mean, which is in the form of bq plus r, where the value of b is 5. So by using EDL, a equal to bq plus r, where r must be lies between 0 and b. I mean 0 less than or equal to r less than, what is the value of b, children? As the value of b is 5. I mean remainder must be less than 5. Remainder must be less than 5. I mean it takes the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. R takes the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now coming to case 1. Case 1, if r equal to 0. If r equal to, first we are taking remainder equal to 0. What is EDL, children? EDL is a equal to bq plus r. What is the value of b? As the value of b is 5, right? 5q plus remainder is what? 0. So 5q plus 0 what? If you add 0 to anything, you will get the same thing. They are asking to show that square of any positive integer. Square of any positive integer. I mean, what you do, squaring on squaring on both sides, right? So a square equal to 5q whole square. A square equal to 5q whole square. So a square equal to, as 5 square is 25q square. 25q square. Children, what I will do, a square equal to, here I can take 5 as common. If I take 5 as common, 5 5 is 25, I can write as 5 into 5q square. 5 into 5q square. What I will do here, I will consider here, let 5q square equal to, I will consider as n, because it should be in the form of 5n, right? So here we are considering 5q square as n. So what we will get? A square equal to 5n. A square equal to 5n. Yes, we got first one is in the form of 5n. Okay. Now coming to case 2. Coming to case 2, if r equal to 1. Second one, r value 1. What is Euclidean lemma, children? Euclidean lemma is a equal to bq plus r. R value what? 1. See, what is Euclidean lemma? A equal to b means 5, q as it is, r value 1. A equal to 5q plus 1. Now what to do? Again squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. I mean a square equal to 5q plus 1 whole square. 5q plus 1 whole square, right? So a square equal to 5q whole square. Now which is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So let me write a square, 5q whole square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Right? Now a square equal to 5q whole square means 25q square. 2 5 is 10, 10 1 is 10, 10q plus 1 square means 1. So a square equal to, what I will do here, let me take 5 common from these two terms. If I take 5 as common, 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25 plus 5 into 2, 5 2 is 10, and this one let it be. Now what I want to do, I want to consider 5q square plus 2q as n. So a square equal to 5n plus 1. So second one is what? 5n plus 1. Okay children, now coming to case 3. If r equal to 2 children, right? So what is Euclidean lemma? A equal to bq plus r. A equal to b in the sense 5q plus r in the sense 2. Again what to do? Squaring on both sides. So a square equal to 5q plus 2 whole square, right? So a square equal to a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So a square equal to 5q whole square means 25q square. 2 5 is 10, 10 2 is 20q plus 2 square is nothing but 4. Right? Now what I will do, from these two terms I can take 5 as common. 5 5 is 25 plus 5 into 4, 5 4 is 20. Is it clear children? Among these two terms I took 5 common. 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20 plus 4. So a square equal to 5. Let me consider 5q square plus 4q as n plus 4. We got 5n plus 4. See, first one we got 5n, second one we got 5n plus 1, third one we got 5n plus 4. Therefore, square of any positive, therefore the square of any positive integer is of the form 5n plus 1 or 5n plus 4. Children, did you understand? Okay. Let us explain one more question based on the same concept. Squaring on square of any positive integer only. Now coming to second question. use Euclid division lemma to show that square of any positive integer is of the form 4m or 4m plus 1. Previously 5n plus 1 or 5n plus 4. In this question 4m or 4m plus 1. The same manner. Right? Here what is the value of b, children? Here it is in the form of see 4m plus 1, which is in the form of bq plus r. Hence what is the value of b here? The value of b is 4 here. Let a be any positive integer. Here b equal to 4, children. Here b equal to 4. By using EDL, what is EDL? A equal to bq plus r, where r must be lies between 0 and b. So I mean 0 less than or equal to r less than b value 4. I mean r takes the values less than 4. Less than 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So first condition, I mean case 1, if r equal to 0, what is Euclid division lemma? A equal to bq plus r, b value 4q plus r value 0. So 4q plus 0, that implies 4q, children. 4q plus 0, that implies 4q. Right? Square of any positive integer. So squaring on both sides. So a square equal to 4q, a square equal to 4q whole square. So a square equal to 4 square is nothing but 16q square. 16q square. So from this I can take 4 common. 4 into 4, 4 just 16q square. Now let me consider 4q square as, let us consider 4q square as some integer m. So a square equal to what? 4m. See, we got 4m. Square of positive integer is in the form of 4m. Now coming to case 2, if r equal to 1. Case 2 is if r equal to 1. First we took r equal to 0, now we are taking r value 1. What is Euclid division lemma? A equal to bq plus r. B means 4, q plus r means 1. Now squaring on both sides. I mean a square equal to 4q plus 1 whole square. So a square equal to a plus b whole square. A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So a square equal to 4q whole square means 16q square, 2 4 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, plus 1 square is nothing but 1. So a square equal to, among these two terms I can take 4 as common. 4 4 ja 16 plus 4 2 ja 8 plus 1. So a square equal to 4. Let us consider 4q square plus 2q. This value as m. I mean 4m plus 1. See, second one also we got 4m plus 1. Therefore, square of any positive integer is of the form, square of any positive integer is of the form 4m or 4m plus 1. 4m or 4m plus 1. Children, damn sure they are asking this method problem. Okay, after watching the video, even you also try to do it, then you will get these sums. Okay. Now coming to question number 3, use Euclid division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 8m, 8m plus 1 or 8m plus 3 or 8m plus 5 or 8m plus 7, where m is a whole number. Previous two questions to show that square of any positive integer. Children, when you are attempting the question, read the question properly. Here to show that cube of any positive integer. Right? The similar manner, let a be any positive integer. Here what is the value of b? If you compare given question with the standard form of standard form of the EDL, that is a equal to bq plus r. Here the value of b is 8. Here b equal to 8. So by using EDL, a equal to bq plus r, where r must be lies between 0 and b. So 0 less than or equal to r less than b value what? B value is 8. So r takes the values that is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. R takes the values less than 8. Less than 8 means up to 7. So similar manner, case 1. If r equal to 0, if remainder equal to 0, what is Euclid digital lemma? A equal to bq plus r. As the value of b is 8q plus r value 0. A equal to 8q plus 0, 8q. Right? But the question is what? Cube of any positive integer, right? So cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides, right? So a cube equal to 8q whole cube. A cube equal to 8q whole cube. So a cube equal to 8 cube. 8 cube is nothing but 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64 into 8. 8 4 is 32. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 512. So that is 512 cube. Right? So now a cube equal to, let me take 8 as common, children. Now 8 how much is 512? 8 64 is 512. So I can write as 64 cube. Right? So a cube equal to 8. Let us consider 64 cube as m. What we did here? Let 64 cube we consider as m. Therefore, cube of positive integer in the form of what? First one is 8m. Yes, we got 8m. Okay, children. Now coming to case 2. If r equal to 1. Case 2 is what? If r equal to 1. So what is Euclid digital lemma? A equal to bq plus r. I mean 8q plus r value 1. Again cubing on both sides. So a cube equal to 8q plus 1 whole cube. 8q plus 1 whole cube. Now which is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube, children? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here we are using this formula. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Right? So a cube equal to a in the sense 8q whole cube plus 3 into a square. A square is nothing but 8q whole square into b is nothing but 1 plus 3. A is nothing but 8q and b square is nothing but 1 square plus b cube. B cube is nothing but 1 cube. Right, children? So a cube equal to 8q whole cube. 8q whole cube means 8 cube, that is nothing but 512 cube plus 3 into 8q whole square. Square belongs to 8 as well as to the cube. 8 square is nothing but 64 q square into 1 plus 3 8 is 24 cube. Children, 1 square is nothing but 1 only. 3 8 is 24 q into 1, 24 cube plus 1 cube is nothing but 1 into 1 into 1, that implies 1 only. So a cube equal to 512 q cube plus 3 into 64. 4 3 is 12, 6 3 is 18 plus 1, 19, 192 into 1, 192 q square plus 24 q plus 1. Okay, children. Now what I will do, among these three terms, let me take 8 as common. 8 how much of 512? 8 64 ja. Next 8 how much of 192? 192 divided by 8. 8 2 is 16. 8 4 is 32. I mean 8 24 is 192 plus 8 3 is 24 plus 1. Because all these three are the multiples of 8. 8 64 is 512, 8 24 is 192, 8 3 is 24, right? So a cube equal to 8. This will be our m plus 1. See, second one is what? 8m plus 1. Children, did you understand? We got second one is a cube equal to 8m plus 1. Okay. Now let us take case 3. If r equal to 2. If r equal to 2. R equal to 2. What is Euclidean lemma? Let me take from the, if r equal to 2. If r equal to 2, what is Euclidean lemma? A equal to b cube plus r. I mean 8 cube plus 2. 8 cube plus 2. Right? Again cubing on both sides. So a cube equal to 8 cube plus 2 whole cube. 8 cube plus 2 whole cube. Right? Now again, which is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Here a in the sense 8 cube plus b in the sense 2, which is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube? I mean a cube equal to 8 cube whole cube plus 3 into a square. 8 cube whole square into b plus 3 into a means 8 cube, b square 2 square plus b cube is nothing but 2 cube. Right? So a cube equal to 8 cube is 512 cube plus 3 into 8 square is 64 q square into 2 plus 3 8 is 24 cube into 2 square 4 plus 2 cube value 8. So a cube equal to 512 q cube plus 3 2 is 6, 64 into 6, 6 4 is 24, 6 6 is 36 plus 2 38, 384 q square plus 24 4 is 96 q plus 8. Okay children, now among these two cube is nothing but 8. Yes, among these three terms, let me take 8 as common. If I take 8 as common, 8 how much? 512. 8 64 ja. 8 how much? 384. 8 how much? 384. 384 divided by 8. 8 4 is 32. 6 4 8 8 ja. 848 ja. Plus 8 how much? 8 1 ja 8. Plus 8. So a cube equal to, this is I can consider as m plus 8. 8m plus 8. Okay. 8m plus 1 or 8m plus 3 or 8m plus 5 or 8m plus 7 and so on, right? Where m is some integer. Therefore, I can say that cube of any positive integer is of the form 8m when we have taken r equal to 2, we got 8m plus 2. Okay children, let us take, actually they are asking to prove 8m plus 3 or 8m plus 5. Instead of 2, let us take r value 3. If we take r value 3, this will become 8m plus 3, right? 3 into, this is 3 square, this is 3 cube, right? And this is into 3, this is 3 square is nothing but 9, 3 cube is nothing but 27. So let us see here, because we got 8m plus 8, that is not our case. 64 into 3, let us do. 64 3s are 3 3s are 9. 64 into 9, 9 4s are 36. 9 6s are 54 plus 3 57. So this will become 576 q square. 24 into 9, 9 4 is 36, 9 2 is 18 plus 3, 21 plus 27. Right? Now, yes, we got now. Let us take 8 common. 8, how much of 512? 8 64 the 8, how much of 576? 576 divided by 8. 8 8 is 64, 8 7 is 56, 8 2 is, I mean 8 72 is, 8 2 is 16, 5 6 8 7 is, and this 27, children, this 27, let me write it as 24 plus 3, 24 plus 3 will get 27 only. So I can take 8 3 is 8 3 is 24 plus 3, right? So this everything I'll consider as m plus 3. See, I got 8m plus 3. Yes or no, children? You take r equal to 4, r equal to 5, and so on. You will get the same value. Okay, but r equal to 2 we did not get. That is the reason I took r equal to 3. Again I got 8m plus 3, right? Therefore, cube of any positive integer is of the form 8m plus 1, 8m plus 3, 8m plus 5, or 8m plus 7. Children, which is also one of the most important topic, cube of any positive integer. Okay, children? Now coming to question number 4, in the same method of problem, use Euclid division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2 for any integer p. So children, can you guess what is the value of b here, which is in the form of bq plus r. So b value what here? That the value of b is 3. Using EDL, a equal to bq plus r, where r must be lies between 0 and b. 0 less than r less than 3. So r takes the values 0, 1, 2 less than 3. Case 1, if r equal to 0, a equal to bq plus r, b value 3q plus 0. So 3q plus 0, how much, children? That implies 3q, right? So cubing on both sides. So a cube equal to 3q whole cube. So a cube equal to 3 cube means 27q cube. So let me take 3 as common. 3 9 is 27. Let me consider 9 cube as p, because where p is any integer p, for some integer p, right? First one we got 3q. Now coming to case 2, if r equal to 1, what is Euclid division lemma? A equal to bq plus r. So cubing on both sides, a cube equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. A cube equal to, which is in the form of a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3 into a square, 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So a cube equal to 3 cube is 27q cube plus 3 into 3 square is 9q square into 1, 3 3s are 9, 1 square is nothing but 1 only, 9q plus 1. So a cube equal to 27q cube plus 3 9 is 27, 27 1 is 27q square plus 9q plus 1. Among these three terms, I can take 3 as common. 3 9 is 27. Again here also 3 9 is 27. And 3 3s are 9 plus 1. Okay. Now I can consider this as our p plus 1. See, we got 3p plus 1 if r equal to 1. Children, 3 cube, 27q cube, 3 into 3 square 9, q square 1. 3 3s are 9q, 1 square is nothing but 1 only, 9q into 1, 9. 9 cube only. 1 cube is nothing but 1. And then we took 3 common. Now case 3. If r equal to 2, what is Euclid dilemma? A equal to b cube plus r. I mean 3 cube plus 2. So cubing on both sides, a cube equal to 3 cube plus 2 whole cube. So that implies a cube equal to 3 cube whole cube. A cube plus 3 into a square, 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So a cube equal to 3 cube means 27 cube, 3 into 3 square 9 cube square into 2 plus 3 into 3 cube into 2 square 4 and 2 cube 8. A cube equal to 27 cube, 3 9 is 27, 27 2 is 54 cube square, 3 3 is 9, 9 4 is 36 cube plus 9 cube plus 8 we got, right? They are asking to prove 3p plus 2, right? So r equal to 2, 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2 or 3p plus 8, 3p plus 8, right? So among these 3, I can take 3 as common. If I take 3 common, 3 9 is 27, 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24, 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3 2 is plus 8. I can consider this as p plus 8. So we got 3p plus 8. Therefore, cube of any positive integer, cube of any positive integer is of the form 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 8. Okay children? Yes, this is our one of the most important topic from the chapter number 1, 8 mark question children. Okay children, after watching the video, even you need to practice, then only you will get. I hope this concept is very clear to you. So children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends as well as. Thank you children.